My name is Richard Lee. I am Hmong-American who migrate from the country of Laos. This is my family. They all grown up in the United States and graduate from college. After I came to the United States, I have my own real estate rental property. And I also involved in the movie Back to the Future 3 with Michael J. Fox in 1987. When I arrived in the United States, I had a chance to go to high school and gain some education. I'm so proud that I have a graduate from high school, and this is my hunting habits. After that, we have moved to North Carolina, and I have bought a piece of land. I have my private life with my property. On my property, I have to have a little farm for rice field, and this is my family. Before I moved to North Carolina, all my children grown up, and I have a vision to bring my children to a better place so they can enjoy their education. After we arrive in the United States, we all enjoy our freedom and lifestyle in the Western country. Laos is a country we live in the jungle, peacefully, and we can enjoy life over there. We can have our own farm, so we can raise all livestock we would like to. My brother, he was a SGU soldier for the CIA. After the country fell to communist government, we live in the country, so my brother came to pick me up, but I wasn't home, and my father refused to have the family to go with him to Long Cheng and be airlifted to Thailand. After we came to Thailand and be refugee, life is very sad and not comfortable. So we are involving with the CIA cooperative against the North Vietnamese. So the Hmong people had to be evacuated to Thailand because we support the CIA. After we came to Thailand and we lived in the refugee camp, we decided to register for immigration to the United States. So life in the camp is kind of miserable, so we decided to immigrate to the United States. So after 40 years spent time in the United States, we love this country.